Hello students, good morning. Now let us study two more examples on Zener regulator. Example number 2. A Zener diode is specified as having a breakdown voltage of 5.1 volt. A Zener diode is specified as having a breakdown voltage of 5.1 volt. That is, we are given a Zener diode having its breakdown voltage of 5.1 volt with maximum power dissipation of 240 milliwatt. Means the power rating of Zener diode is given and it is 240 milliwatt. The Zener diode with a power rating of 240 milliwatt is given. Its breakdown voltage is 5.1 volt. Okay. So what is the maximum current the diode can handle? Means the maximum current that can pass through the diode. We have to calculate the maximum current which is allowed to pass through this Zener diode. So we have to calculate maximum current. Okay. So power is given and voltage is also given. We know that P is equal to V into I. The formula for power is P is equal to V into I. Now in this example, P means PZ, that is power rating of Zener diode. P means PZ, that is power rating of Zener diode, is equal to Vz into Iz, where Vz is the breakdown voltage of Zener diode. It is 5.1 volt and we have to calculate Iz, that is the maximum Zener current that can pass or that can handle by the Zener diode. So from this equation, Iz is equal to Pz upon Vz. Iz is equal to Pz upon Vz. इकडे गुणिले इकडे या बाजूला भागिले किंवा डिवाइड होईल. म्हणजेच Iz is equal to Pz upon Vz. Okay. So Iz is equal to Pz. Pz is power rating, power dissipation. It is 240 milliwatt. Okay. So we have to first convert it into watt. This is in milliwatt. Power rating is given in milliwatt. So 240 milliwatt means 240 into 10 raised to minus 3 watt. 240 into 10 raised to minus 3 watt and divided by Vz 5.1 volt. Okay. Now this power is converted into watt. 240 into 10 raised to minus 3 and divided by 5.1. Now this current will come in ampere. Okay. So again for easy calculation, again we multiply this factor into 10 raised to 3 so that the Zener current will come in milliampere. Okay. This is in ampere. Again, if we multiply it by 1000, then this current will come in milliampere or will convert it into milliampere. So 240 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 5.1 into 1000 means 10 raised to 3. Now this current is converted into milliampere. So 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to plus 3, 10, that is 10 raised to 0 means 1. So 240 divided by 5.1 into 1. So this current is that is 240 divided by 5.1. You can use log table, and by using log table you can calculate this. So log of 240 minus log of 5.1, and again you can take its antilog, then the answer will be 47.05 milliampere. Okay. So you must know the equation for power. P is equal to V into I. So P means PZ, V means VZ, and I means IZ. Okay, PZ is equal to VZ into IZ. You are already given power dissipation PZ. Okay, you are already given VZ, that is breakdown voltage, and you have to calculate current, Zener current. So IZ is equal to PZ upon VZ. Okay, now this power is in milliwatt. So first convert it into watt. 240 milliwatt means 240 into 10 raised to minus 3 watt. And divided by VZ 5.1 volt. So this current will come in ampere. Convert it into milliampere. That is, multiply this factor into again by 1000 or 10 raised to plus 3. Okay, so 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to plus 3, 10 raised to 0 means 1, 240 divided by 5.1. Okay, now log of 240 minus log of 5.1, you can calculate this by using log table, then take its antilog, and the answer will come 47.05 milliampere. Okay, now see another example. Here one diagram is given. Zener diode is connected in series with its series resistance 670 ohm. The source voltage varies from 20 volt to 30 volt. So you have to calculate minimum and maximum Zener current. Here in this circuit, load resistance is not connected. There is a single loop. Only one loop is there. So the current through RS is equal to current through Zener diode, that is 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 equal to IZ, because there is only one loop. IS, that is current through RS, is equal to current through Zener, that is IZ. Okay. So here the breakdown voltage of Zener diode is given. Vz is equal to 50 volt, and we have to calculate the minimum and maximum Zener current, IZ minimum and IZ maximum. Okay, so for minimum Zener current, IZ minimum, we have to take 20 volt, source voltage 20 volt. Okay, now Zener breakdown voltage is 15 volt, so Vs minus Vz, it is equal to voltage across Rs. Okay, voltage across Rs. So voltage across Rs is equal to Vs minus Vz, that is 20 minus 15 volt. Okay, it is the voltage drop across Rs. Now what is Is? I is equal to V upon R. I is equal to V upon R. So Is is equal to Vs minus Vz. Vs minus Vz, 20 minus 15 divided by Rs 670 ohm. Okay, so Is is equal to Vs minus Vz divided by Rs. Okay. या ठिकाणी जेनर डायोडच्या अक्रॉस व्होल्टेज किती आहे? 15 वोल्ट आहे. इनपुट व्होल्टेज किंवा सोर्स व्होल्टेज 20 वोल्ट आहे. त्यामुळं राहिलेलं 5 वोल्ट हे आर एसच्या अक्रॉस ड्रॉप होईल, है ना. व्ही एस म्हणजे इनपुट व्होल्टेज किती आहे? 20 वोल्ट आहे, आणि जेनर व्होल्टेज किती आहे? 15 वोल्ट, म्हणजे 20 वजा 15, म्हणजे व्ही एस इज इक्वल टू व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस आर एस प्लस व्ही झेड. मग व्ही झेड किती आहे? 15 वोल्ट आहे, म्हणजे 20 वजा 15 म्हणजे आर एसच्या अक्रॉस 5 वोल्ट, म्हणजे 5 अधिक 15 बरोबर 20. ओके, म्हणजेच व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस आर एस किती होईल? 5 वोल्ट येईल. मग व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस आर एस इज 5 वोल्ट, अँड रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ आर एस इज 670 ohm. So I is equal to V upon R, that is 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 equal to Vs upon Rs. So Vs is 5 volt, sorry, Vs voltage across RS, voltage across RS is equal to Vs minus Vz, and current through RS is equal to Vs minus Vz divided by RS. Okay, 20 minus 15 divided by 670. Okay, that is IS. I is equal to V upon R. So IS is equal to Vs minus Vz. 20 minus 15, that is 5 volt. It is the voltage drop across RS, that is Vs minus Vz divided by RS 670 ohm, that is 5 upon 670 ohm. This current will come in ampere. We have to convert it into milliampere. So 5 upon 670 into 1000. Then this current will be in milliampere, and that is equal to 7.462 milliampere. But this IS is equal to IZ because this is a single loop. So current flowing through RS is equal to current flowing through Zener, that is 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 equal to IZ. Therefore IZ is also equal to 7.462 milliampere. Okay, so this is IZ minimum. Now IZ maximum. IZ maximum is equal to Vs minus Vz divided by RS. So Vs is 30, 30 minus 15, that is 30 minus 15, that is 15 volt, that is 15 plus 15, 30. Okay, so 30 minus 15 divided by RS 670. Okay, so IZ maximum is equal to Vs minus Vz divided by RS, that is 30 minus 15 divided by 670. 30 minus 15 divided by 670. This current will come in ampere, that is 15 upon 670. This is in ampere. Again multiply it by 1000, then current will be converted into milliampere. So 15 divided by 670 into 1000, then the answer will come 22.388 milliampere. So IZ maximum is equal to 22.388 milliampere. Okay, so we will stop here.